Dun dun. Hey guys, and today I'm so happy to bring you a new special edition smartphone for you, and this is the Nubia Z60 Ultra Vincent Van Gogh edition. So this phone is based on Nubia Z60 Ultra, the new flagship model from Nubia. And here is the box. It gets a special customized box, and here are the big brand the Nubia work with, and they provide the solutions and the license for this model. And here, and this time they provide 3 edition for us, for customers to choose: the black and the Momo white, and also here is the special edition. So here's the appearance of the design. So it's a very attractive appearance, and we can find the back panel is inspired from the Van Gogh famous painting Starry Night. It's also very attractive, and also the camera zone looks so special: circle, oval, and rectangle. And here we find the Starry Night words. It's also used the Neo Vision, the camera solution technology from Nubia, and this is the framework. It's also used the same color like the back panel. This is a periscope camera, and this time for this phone is just weight 246 gram and thickness 8.678 mm, and the screen to body ratio reached 299%. And in front it's get a 6.8 AMOLED 100Hz refresh rate screen, and a display resolution reached to 2480 by 1116. And here are the specification about this device. For this special edition, it gets a 60GB RAM plus 1TB ROM. It supports LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0. Jury is used the latest Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor. It's one of the best flagship processors in the market, and the 4nm spread technology, and it's improved a lot compared to last generation, and even better and powerful than the Apple A17 Pro appearance. So this is a very high-end device in the market, and also it get another features like the Q9 materials of the screen and the UDC on the screen camera, and this is front camera. And for this time, for the camera part, it supports 35mm 50MP IMX 800 sensor, and 80mm 50MP wide angle, and 85mm 64MP long lens camera. So it can fully meet your wide angle, long lens, and aperture camera technology, and it also support OIS. Here's some sample test of the camera. I will put it at the end of the video so you can check it. And the front one is used the 12MP UDC on-screen camera, so it can reach a very full display of screen. And for Nubia and ZTE, I think this on-the-screen camera they not only used on the Z series and also the Red Magic sub-brand, or they also use it. It's very nice. And also the batteries get a 6000 big battery with 80W fast charging. So normally within now 30 minutes, half an hour, you can get charged 80%, and within 1 hour you can get 100% charging. It's very nice, and especially for design, I really like it. Yes, the camera zone is also special and very unique among all the devices in the market. And also this is the side customize button. It can be a shortcut to open the camera and open other applications. So it's very convenient if you use it as a customized key. And also they provide other special features. This device, double click to wake up screen, and the floating dot and gesture, and one hand mode. And another thing I have to mention is this device is called IP68 rating, and the fifth UDC full screen is fully screen, no punch holes, so it's looks more balanced and more beautiful compared to the punch hole screen in a smartphone in the market. Here are some features and specifications about this device. Yeah, double click to wake up the screen. Very nice, and you can check it. It's from front side is a fully display screen smartphone, and also the narrow bezels, 4 size, same. It looks so beautiful, I will say. And also for screen, it supports 2160 Hz PMW dimming and HDR 10 Plus technology. It can surely improve the display performance and protect your eyes, and you get reviewed this display performance. And here is the appearance when it with the customized case. Personally, I think if no case is better, but it's also very beautiful. And here are the more sample pictures about this smartphone, zoom performance, and front selfie pictures. And here are more pictures. Let's enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Let's attend waiting for more cool gadget phone here. Bye bye.